In this video, I'll show you some of the best websites where you can watch live football matches in 2025, legally and for free. The first site to check out is FIFA Plus. This is the official streaming platform from FIFA, and it offers free access to select live matches. While the number of live games is limited, especially during major tournaments, you can still catch regional competitions and other events here. You'll just need to create a free account to watch, but once you're in, you'll also get access to a large archive of past matches, documentaries, and original content. Another site worth visiting is livesoccertv.com. This one doesn't stream games directly, but it's a very useful tool. It helps you find where football matches are being streamed or broadcast, depending on your region. You can search for a specific game and it will show you all available viewing options, including free and legal platforms if available. For example, if a match is being shown on a service like Fubo TV, you'll see it listed. Fubo TV often includes a free trial, which means you can stream live football without paying right away. Although you will need to sign up and enter your payment details, it works on phones, smart TVs, and tablets, and you can cancel anytime to avoid charges. And LiveSoccerTV.com helps you track down where to watch live games and which platforms offer free access. Fubo TV offers a trial period if you're open to signing up temporarily. These are some of the most reliable and legal ways to stream football in 2025 without paying upfront.